Here's our next problem. 369 divided by 46. Notice I have Dad, Mom, Sister, Brother, Rover written down the side of my page. Let's set the problem up together. I'm going to get you started on this one, but this one I would like you to finish on your own. Then you can restart the video and check your work. All right, so this is 369 divided by 46. I'm going to get you started here. Your first step is going to be to look at this 46. How would you estimate that 46? What would you turn it into? Why don't you pause now and discuss how would you estimate that divisor and how will that help you with solving the problem? Pause now. Okay, so maybe you discussed changing that divisor to 40 and skip counting by 40. Or maybe you discussed changing the divisor to 50 and skip counting by 50. Either way, you should be able to use your skip counting to help you find a starting place for 46 times something to get us close to 369 without going over. We want to get as close as possible. All right, boys and girls, I'm going to let you take the lead now. I'd like you to finish this problem on your own. When most of the class is done, restart the video and we'll go over the answers together. Okay, so some of you might have skip counted by 50. First, I'm going to skip count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. And then I draw those zeros on the end to change our skip counting from 5s to skip counting by 50. Some of you might have even skip counted by 40. Well, let me show you that too. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. And now we want those zeros on the end to make that skip counting by 40 instead of just skip counting by 4s. All right, so either way, whichever way you skip counted by, we're still trying to look for a number that's really close to 369 without going over. So let me look back at my 50 skip counting. The closest I can get to 369 when I skip count by 50s is 350. That's 50 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's a starting place. We could do 46 times 7 and see if we can get close to 369. But if you skip counted by 40s, that also works. We're looking to get as close to 369 as we can, right? What is as close as we can get to 369? That would be 360, right? That's 40 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this one tells us times 9, okay? Either way, you have a starting place for 46 times. Let's start with 46 times 7. 7 times 6 is 42. 7 times 4 is 28, plus 4 more is 32. I get 322. If you're not sure if we can fit another group of 46 in, let's try 46 times 8. 8 times 6 is 48. 8 times 4 is 32, plus 4 more is 36. Wow, look how close we got with that one. 368 is almost 369, and we didn't go over. So we're going to go with 46 times 8. So we go back to our original problem. And we say 46 times what gets me close to 3? Well, 46 is bigger than 3, so we need a 0 above the 3. 46 is also bigger than 36, so we need a 0 above that 6. So now we're saying 46 times what gets us close to 369 without going over? That was 46 times 8. We'll put that 8 right above the 9 here. We just divided, so our next step is to multiply. 8 times 46. Well, we said that was 368, right? We multiplied. Now we're going to subtract. 369 minus 368 equals 1. There's nothing left to bring down, and my remainder is less than my divisor, so I can write 8 remainder 1 as my answer. But we need to check, right? We need to do the check to the problem. So we're going to take 8 times 46, get an answer, and then add 1. All right, 46 times 8. 8 times 6 is 48. 8 times 4 is 32, plus 4 more is 36. Then we need to take that 368 and add our remainder of 1. 8 plus 1 is 9, 6 plus nothing is 6, and 3 plus nothing is 3. 369 matches what's under our division house, our dividend. So this problem works out. We can circle our answer now, 8 remainder 1.